2, 3, funky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to another makeup video. I know it has been a while. Anyways, I always wanted to do a retro inspired makeup look. If you guys are interested, please continue watching. For this particular look, the hair plays a very important role, so we decided to do the hair first and meet my hair artist Rija. She's very talented freelancer hair artist. She works in my studio. She blow dried my hair first, then using 1-inch curling iron she curled my hair. Now we are going to keep those curls until we finish the makeup. That's it with the hair for now. We'll open all the curls last month. Let's start our makeup. I'm using the La Roche-Posay moisturizer all over my face to moisturize my face, and using the Anastasia of Beverly Hills brow pencil, I'm just going to fill in the gap. I'm not going to do my brows. I'm not going to overdo my brows. I'm just going to fill using some soap. I'm going to set the brow hair in place. In order to get your makeup look like very natural and elegant, you have to make sure that everything looks neat and clean. While doing your makeup, don't rush. Take your time, look for the details. Brow ma details ख्याल गर्ने, eyeshadows गर्दाखेरि blending मा ख्याल गर्ने. To prime the lids, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. त्यो base को लागि blend it all over the lids. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Morphe X Jeffree Star Co eyeshadow palette. I'm using this matte eyeshadow on fluffy blending brush and just dabbing it all over the lids. For the crease ko part, I'm using this burnt orange kind of shade and I'm applying this all over the lids and crease as well. We're not going crazy with the eyes. Just take your time blending the eyeshadow all over the lids and crease. And for the eyeliner part, we're not actually using eyeliner. I'm using kind of burgundy kind of eyeshadow on a detailer, a small detailer brush, and just mimic the eyeliner look. Follow your lash line, wing that out, and take your small blending brush, take that same burnt orange shade that we applied first and just lightly blend the burgundy shade, champagne shade from the third row, and I applied that all over the lids, inner corner to outer corner. Blend it out, blending brush lay, no harsh lines. Then using some mascara, curled my lashes. I'm using some mascara. Two of my favorite mascaras are Benefit Co lengthening mascara. They are real lengthening mascara, and for the volume ko part I'm using the Benefit Co Bad Curl mascara. The one that I'm using right now is They Are Real. This is so good for the length ko part, and the one that I'm using right now, the black one, is for the volume ko part. Starting off my face makeup, I'm using Benefit Co Professional Primer, and for the foundation, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Co Magic Foundation. I'm in the shade 7. Took a very little amount, one pump, and taking some beauty blender, I'm gonna blend that out all over my face. For the concealer, I'm using Tarte Co Shape Tape Concealer only to the inner parts of my eyes. Since my eyes are under eye skin is dry, I don't use a lot of concealer over there because it tends to crease, especially Tarte Co Shape Tape is a little thick, so just did that. Taking some definer brush, I did that wing thing with the concealer to give that अझै कट वाला look मेरो outer corner मा, and taking that same burgundy eyeshadow that we applied हाम्रो wing, I applied that on the lower lash line, blended with some small pencil brush. र Kat Von D contour kit को बिचको shade लिएर I just applied some powder on my under eyes. And for the blush, I'm using Anastasia of Beverly Hills को blush trio and just blending it out. Ani same contour kit ko medium shade लिएर I'm just contouring my face, applying that मेरो cheekbones मा. And for the highlighter, I'm using Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. And this look is incomplete without a red lips. So lipstick shade, I'm gonna leave it on the description below, or I'll put it on the screen because I forgot the shade name. Ani, this is my favorite, actually the favorite red color shade. I mixed two different lipstick. These are from MAC Cosmetics. Now we are now completing our look. Richa is opening up the curls. Ani set gardeis उसले curls हरूलाई. So I am also going to upload in-depth hair tutorial, same hair tutorial on my Instagram as well. So if you guys don't follow me, I'll put her Instagram link also in the description box, also on the screen. You guys can follow us there. Yeah, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed creating this makeup look. We enjoyed creating this look. धेरै महिना भइसकेको थियो मैले चाहिँ कम्प्लिट रेडी भएर भिडियोजहरु नबनाएको. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. धेरै महिना पछि भए पनि. And let me know what videos you guys want me to film next, makeup related. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to leave your comments below. Bye.